Whoa, look at those. Have you seen geese? These are called geese. And before winter, they fly to south and they somewhere settle in the middle of US or southern US. And look at this. This is in my backyard. Before winter, there are tons and millions of birds that come and probably get food and they fly somewhere in a warmer place. Here, more coming, and I'm not sure about what they call this. They are all black. Mm. They are not crow because it's smaller, and I'm not sure. And more coming, more and more and more. And then it's bunch of them, and they fly and flew somewhere.
Let them